For the past 3 years now, I've tried out a bunch of music distribution platforms like DistroKid, Nation Digital, TuneCore, and CD Baby. And one thing I find in common about this music distribution platform is that all of this music distribution platform literally gets your music distributed to all streaming platforms. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to actually choose the best music distribution platform for you. So if you have been following me here for a while, you guys always know that what I always advise you guys to do before actually picking any music distribution platform is to actually look at their pricing. So because that is the most important thing before picking any music distribution platform. So if you actually head over to DistroKid, you guys are going to see that we could actually distribute our music for just $22.99 for a year. So basically we could actually upload unlimited music and also get to keep 100% of our royalty. This is also applicable to TuneCore. So basically you could also get unlimited distribution for just $22.99 for a year. So if you are going to be taking a look at Nation Digital and CD Baby, you guys are going to see that this music distribution platform actually have two things in common, which means you actually pay a one-time fee to actually distribute your music. Unlike DistroKid or TuneCore, where you need to pay an annual fee of $23 every single year for you to be able to distribute your music on their platform. This is going to be taking me to the question of which of these music distribution platform would you like to go for. So if you're going to be going with TuneCore or DistroKid, you need to keep in mind that you're going to be paying an annual fee of $23 every single year to distribute unlimited music on their platform. And you need to keep in mind that if you are unable to renew your subscription for one reason or the other, just know that your music is going to be taken down from all the streaming platforms. So let's just say you're able to distribute about 50 music in the period of 1 year. So if you are unable to renew your subscription, that means that all the 50 songs you have distributed through the platform is going to be taken down. But if you're going to be going with Nation Digital or CD Baby, just know you're going to be paying a one-time fee of $9. So basically you're going to be paying a one-time fee of $9 for CD Baby, and you're going to be paying a one-time fee of $7 for Nation Digital. So you don't need to actually worry about any form of subscription. So you're going to be paying just a one-time fee to actually keep your music on stores forever. So if you're going to be going with CD Baby, just know that they are going to be taking 9% of your royalty and they are going to be giving you 91%. But if you're going to be going with Nation Digital, they're going to be giving you 100% of your royalty, and all you need to do is to actually just pay a one-time fee of $7, and you don't need to worry about any form of subscription. So your music is going to be there forever. So what you need to do now is to actually just go through this platform and check through the pricing. So make sure you actually look at all the features they are going to be offering you at the price. I'm going to be leaving all the links to all the music distribution platform that I just mentioned in the video description. So feel free to actually go click on the link to also go check out this platform. So one thing I always advise artists to do is you need to make sure you always cut your clothes according to your size, because music is a long time thing. So you need to always ask yourself that will I be able to pay for this for a very long period of time? So if you're going to be going with a subscription plan for DistroKid or TuneCore, you need to make sure you are able to sustain the plan so that you'll be able to keep your music on stores. But if you're going to be going with Nation Digital or CD Baby, just keep in mind that you are going to be paying per release. So let's just say you want to release a single, you're paying $9 for CD Baby to actually distribute single. You're also going to be paying that same $9 to also distribute an album or EP. So the same thing also goes for Nation Digital. You're going to be paying a $7 fee to distribute either an album, EP, or a single. So right now I'm going to walk you through all of the features for all of this music distribution platform I've just mentioned right here in this video. So if you actually head over to DistroKid pricing right here, so you guys can see that you could actually get started with their musician plan for just $22.99 every year. You could literally distribute for just one artist, so you get to upload unlimited music. You also get to sync your lyrics to Google and more, and also you also get Spotify verified checkmark. So one thing you need to keep in mind that if you're going to be going for this pricing, you need to know that you won't be able to choose a release date for your music. So basically you're kind of limited to some features if you're going to be going with this pricing. So if we take a look at their musician plus plan, which is about $40 a year, so you'll be able to distribute for just 2 artists, and also you get everything that is actually included in the musician plan. So you get to sync lyrics to Apple Music. You also get access to your daily streaming stat, and also you also have the ability to customize your label name. You also have the ability to customize your release date. You also have the ability to customize pre-order and some bunch of features that are going to be offering you with this price. So they also have their label plan, which is about $90 a year. So you can kind of distribute for almost 5 to like 100 artists on this price. So if you know you're a record label owner that manage multiple artists, so you could actually just go with this pricing. So if you're going to be going with the ultimate plan, which is the label plan, so you kind of give you more features and also more tools. If you actually compare to core pricing, you could see that you could actually get started for just $22.99, which is almost the same thing as DistroKid, which is the rising artist plan. But what you actually get for this price is unlimited music distribution. You also get to keep 100% of your royalty. You also get to schedule your own release date. You also get Spotify verified checkmark. Why with the TuneCore breakout artist plan, you're only paying about $40 a year. So basically you get everything that is included on the TuneCore rising artist plan. You get to see your daily streaming report. You also get to use your own ISRC code. and a lot more. So with the TuneCore professional plan, which is just about $50 every single year, which I would say it's also like their label plan. This plan is more cheaper than what DistroKid is going to be offering you. So basically, you get all the features that is included in the breakout artist plan and also in the rising artist plan. One thing you need to take note of is if you're going to be adding additional artists on the TuneCore professional plan, you're going to be paying about $15 to add new additional artists to your profile. Right now, we are going to be comparing Nation Digital Distribution and CD Baby. So we are going to be seeing what they are going to be offering us at their pricing. So if we head over to Nation Digital Ultimate plan, which is about $7, so you can see right here you get to release single or album for just $7, and there's no annual fee. It is a lifetime distribution. So with Nation Digital, you get to keep 100% of your royalty. They also distribute your music to over 150 stores worldwide. You also get free pre-save smart link. You also get YouTube content ID. And also they also give you free UPC code and free ISRC code. They also offer you automatic split royalty payment. You also get to sync your lyrics to Apple Music. You also get to see your daily streaming stats. They also give you the ability to customize your label name and also the ability to customize your release date. So Nation Digital also adds another pricing, which is their label plan. This plan actually goes for $18 a year. So with this plan, you get to keep 100% of your royalty. You also get to upload for unlimited artists. Basically, you get all the features that is included in their ultimate plan, which I would say this is kind of good because what Nation Digital is actually giving us for a one-time fee is even more than what DistroKid or TuneCore is going to be giving us with their starter plan. So right now, let us compare CD Baby's pricing to Nation Digital. So you can see right here on CD Baby, you could actually distribute your singles or EP for just $10. So there's no subscription fee, which I would say it's also similar to Nation Digital. But the difference right here is that Nation Digital, you're actually paying just $7. Why on CD Baby you're only paying about $10 for distribution. So with CD Baby, they kind of get your music to over 150 stores globally. Also get your music distributed to all social media platforms, and also they also offer content ID, which is YouTube content ID. So CD Baby also offers service like playlist pitching. They also give you the ability to claim your YouTube official artist profile channel. They're also going to be giving you free UPC and free ISRC code, which I'll say it's something Nation Digital is also giving us for free. If you actually look at Nation Digital features and CD Baby features, you are going to notice that what Nation Digital distribution is going to be giving us for their pricing is even more than what CD Baby is going to be giving us for $10, which is a one-time fee. So basically, Nation Digital is a new music distribution platform. So I'm going to be leaving a video to their platform. So if you want to know more about their platform, feel free to go check out the link in the video description. And also I'm going to be leaving the video at the end of this video. So guys, if you have found the video helpful so far to this point, please don't forget to give the video a like, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. For those of you that would like to know more about Nation Digital distribution, let me quickly just walk you through the sign up process. So what you're going to be doing now is we're going to be clicking on the sign up button. So once you actually click on the sign up button, it's going to take us to this page. So right now they're asking us to put in our first name, our last name, our email address. So we're going to be putting in our phone number and also our WhatsApp number. So once you're done with that right here, we're going to be inputting our artist name. Then once you're done with that, we're going to be selecting in our country. So let me quickly just fill out the basic information. I'm going to get right back to you guys straight up. So right now I'm done filling out the necessary information. So I'm going to be clicking on the sign up button. So once I actually click on the sign up button right here, it's going to take us straight to this page. So they say we should actually click here to distribute our song. So we're going to be clicking on it. So once we actually click on it right here, it's going to take you straight to their pricing plan. Basically, you need to pick one of their pricing for you to be able to distribute your music through their platform. Basically, I already created a full tutorial whereby I literally walk you through how to sign up, like everything you need to know about Nation Digital. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the video description, so do well to go check out the video. So right now, I'm going to be logging in into my account to actually show you guys how it looks like in the inside. But before I actually show you guys how the platform looks like in the inside, let me quickly show you guys how the distribution page looks like. So you can see right here, I'm on the distribution page. So you can see right here, they say we should actually fill in the name of our song, which is your song title or your song EP. So basically, once you're done filling out the name of your song, you need to select the kind of release. So is either you're distributing a single, or you're distributing an EP or an album, or you're distributing an instrumental. So if you're a producer also, you could also distribute your beats right here using Nation Digital distribution. So once you're done with that, you're going to see where they're going to ask you to provide your artist name. So basically, you could just literally just go through this process right here. So once you're done distributing your music, this is how your artist dashboard is going to look like. So you're going to be seeing the recent release from the platform. Once you click on the catalog section, you're going to be seeing all of your release right here, and also where your music has been distributed to. So guys, if you need the full video of everything you need to know about Nation Digital distribution, I'm going to be leaving the link to the video in the video description. So make sure you actually click on the link in the video description to go check out the video. I'm going to be leaving the link to the video at the end of the video. So do well to actually go check it out if you're interested in Nation Digital distribution. So guys, I hope you guys found the video helpful. So if you did, please don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. So if you want to learn more ways about music distribution, I'm going to advise actually check out the music distribution playlist right here. So the video is going to pop right here on your screen. So click on the video right here, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video.